Introduction to Internet. Internet is a big library where you can find information, play games, and communicate with. Learning objectives. Internet. Uses of Internet. Terms related to Internet. Requirements for getting connected to Internet. Disadvantages of Internet. Internet. The Internet is a vast network of computers connected to each other around the world. It is a global system of networked computers used for communication and information sharing. A computer can be connected to the Internet through cables or some wireless media. The Internet enables you to find out the latest news, weather information or anything else that you want to search for. Internet and interconnected network. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. A computer network consists of several computers connected to each other. If a computer or any other device is currently connected to the Internet and can communicate with other devices, it is said to be online. Uses of Internet. Internet has reached in every field of our life in such a way it has become one of the primary needs of people around the world. There are many things that once were very difficult and time-consuming, but in today's time, they have become faster and easier with the help of the Internet. Here are some common uses of the Internet. Search information. Internet can be used to search information on any topic. Communication. It can be used to send and receive electronic mail messages. You can also talk to your friends and relatives face-to-face through video calling facility. Entertainment. You can watch movies and listen to songs, and play many online games with your friends. Online shopping. You can buy products like books, shoes, jewelry, cosmetics, clothes, etc., and buy services like book movie tickets, hotels, consult a doctor, and many more, using the Internet. Education. Students can use Internet for online courses, tutorials, and educational resources. Uses of Internet. Entertainment. Search information. Education. Communication. Online shopping. Terms related to Internet. Before studying about the Internet in detail, let us discuss some of the basic Internet terminology. Website, web page and home page. A website is a collection of online pages, known as web pages, that are stored on some computers on the Internet. These pages are linked to each other through hyperlinks. Some of the commonly used websites are www.google.co.in, www.amazon.in, and many more. A web page is a document that is part of a website on the Internet. It is a basic building block of the World Wide Web and is designed to be viewed in a web browser. Web pages can contain a variety of content, including text, images, sounds, videos, and animations. The first web page which is displayed when you open a website in a browser is called the home page of that website. Home page of www.amazon.in. Web page of www.amazon.in. Hyperlink. A hyperlink, commonly referred to as a link, is a reference element in a web page that allows users to jump to another location when clicked. Hyperlinks are a fundamental feature of the World Wide Web and are used to connect different web pages or sections within the same page. When you move the mouse pointer over an image or text which is hyperlinked, the mouse pointer changes to hand with the pointing finger symbol. When you click any hyperlink, it takes you to another web page which may or may not be in the same website. Text and image as hyperlinks. Text hyperlink. Image hyperlink. Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator, URL, is the address of a website available on the Internet. Every website has a unique address. This unique address is used to access the website and all the information in it. Some examples of URLs are given below. https://www.wikipedia.org https://www.facebook.com https://www.space.com Important note: HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that users are connecting to a trustworthy website and not a fake or illegal one. Web browser. A web browser is a software application that allows users to access web pages, images, videos, and other content on the Internet. Web browsers act as the interface between users and the Internet. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera and Safari are some of the most commonly used web browsers. You can open any website by entering the address or URL of a website in the address bar and pressing the Enter key. Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, Opera. Bonus content, subject enrichment. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10 that has replaced Internet Explorer from the older versions of Windows. Do-it-yourself, experiential learning. With the help of your teacher, open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome in your computer. Enter www.google.co.in in the address bar of the web browser and press the Enter key. Enter the URL of the website in the address bar. Google website opens in the web browser. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web or WWW or simply web is a large collection of information, documents, images or any other multimedia items available on the Internet and is linked via hyperlinks. Important note: sometimes, people use the terms WWW and the Internet as the same. However, these two are different terms. The Internet is a network of computers, while WWW is the collection of web pages stored on the Internet. Search engine. A search engine is a software that helps us to search any kind of information available on the Internet. While you are searching on a search engine, there is no need of a URL of any website. You just need to give a term or some keywords related to the information you want to search for. You can search text, images, videos, or other graphical content using a search engine. It then displays hyperlinks for all the websites that contains information related to your input. Google, Yahoo and Bing are some of the famous search engines. Download and upload. When you transfer data from your computer to another computer over the Internet, it is called uploading. On the other hand, when you transfer data from another computer to your computer over the Internet, it is called downloading. You can download games, apps, music, videos, movies from the Internet. Internet Service Provider, ISP. An ISP is a company or organization that provides Internet access to customers. ISPs offer various types of Internet connections, allowing individuals, businesses, and other entities to connect to the Internet and access online services, content, and information. Some popular ISPs in India are BSNL, Airtel, JioFiber, Tata Sky Broadband, Vodafone, Idea, and Hathway. Requirements for getting connected to Internet. To get connected to the Internet, you need the following essential components. A device capable of connecting to the Internet, such as a computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. An Internet service provider that offers the type of Internet connection you need. For wired connections, you may need a modem provided by the ISP. Wires or cables to connect your device to the modem. Disadvantages of Internet. While Internet offers a wealth of educational resources and entertainment for children, it also comes with certain disadvantages and risks. Here are some disadvantages of Internet use for kids. Spending too much time online can lead to obesity and other health issues, such as sleep disturbances and eye strain. Excessive use of the Internet, especially in the form of online games, can distract students from their studies. It also wastes out time and energy, and makes us lazy. Children prefer to play online games with their friends instead of playing games in the park. Children love to spend time in online activities rather than spending quality time with family members. For the teacher, explain the term internet to the students. Also, list the various uses of the internet. Introduce the basic terms related to the internet. Introduce the concept of web browsers as tools to access the internet. Teach them how to open a browser and navigate to a website. Let us revise. The internet is a vast network of computers connected to each other around the world. A computer can be connected to the internet through cables or some wireless media. Internet can be used to search information, communicate with friends, listening to music, and many more. A website is a collection of online pages, known as web pages, that are stored on some computers on the internet. A web page is a document that is part of a website on the internet. A hyperlink, commonly referred to as a link, is a reference element in a web page that allows users to jump to another location when clicked. Uniform Resource Locator, URL, is the address of a website available on the internet. A web browser is a software application that allows users to access web pages, images, videos, and other content on the internet. The World Wide Web, or WWW, or simply web, is a large collection of information, documents, images, or any other multimedia items available on the internet. A search engine is a software that helps us to search any kind of information available on the internet.